Hi guys, I'm Catshell. Today I'm going to show you how to find the value of sine 18. Okay? See, first where we can see this 18 degree in a right angle triangle. This length is a little short. 1 minute. This is 18 degrees, 72 degrees, 90 degree. Okay. Now see, now I have to construct this triangle in some way such that I have to know this length and this length. Okay. So what I'm going to do is, like in my sine 32.5 video, like how did I find, like that only I'm going to do. Okay. First I will draw one circle. That time I draw a square, but this time I will draw a regular pentagon. So this will be a regular pentagon. This very bad, wait. Okay, assume that this is a regular pentagon. Okay, and I'm thinking that all side length is 1. Okay, now I'm going to connect this to here and this to here such that this length and this length are equal. Okay, now I'm going to connect this point and I'm going to connect this point and this point first. This is the center point. Okay, wait, this center point will be somewhere here. No? This is the center point. Okay, next from this point I'm going to connect here. See, this will be a straight line. Okay, that means the angle here is 180. That must be okay. Now what I'm going to do is the same thing that time what I did from this. Now I'm going to draw this to here. Wait, from here to here. So this is the diagonal of a pentagon. Okay. Now what is this whole angle? This whole angle will be equal to 90 degrees because 180 by 2 is 90. The same thing in a circle. Wait, the circle is not good. No, wait. Center point theta. Then this will be theta by 2. The same thing. Okay, so this is 90. I know this is 108. Okay, now then what is this angle and this angle? See, this is 180 because this is a pentagon. In a regular pentagon all angles are 180. Okay, because the player rotate 180. Sorry, 108. In a regular pentagon all angles are 108. Next, see what is this angle and this angle. This angle will be equal to, let this will be x. Okay, so then we will keep where I will write. Here I will write. Okay, 2x is equal to 2x plus 108 is equal to 180. Angle is some property of a triangle. 2x is equal to 180 minus 108. X is equal to 72 by 2. X is equal to 36. Okay, that means this is equal to 36 degree. I will remove x here. Okay, 36 degree. Okay, now I know this is 36. Then this whole is 90. Then what is this angle? Okay, see, I know this whole angle is 108 now. This is not clear now. Wait 1 minute. Wait. 90, 36. Okay, wait, I'll draw this here. Okay, this whole angle is 108. Then only this angle is how much? 36 minus 108. Okay, 36 minus 108 minus 36. Okay, 108 minus 36 is 72. Okay, it's 108 minus 36, 72 only. Now here 72. Now what I can do. This is 90. Okay, this length, this angle is 90. This is 72, and I know this also 1/2 because this is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, one altitude will be equal to one median also, and this whole length is 1. Then 1/2, then 1 divided by 2 is 1/2 only. So this length is 1/2. Now what is this length? Like, that means length of the diagonal. Like, I'm drawing this. Okay, say for this length, take a circle, again draw one regular pentagon. Okay, in this pentagon, what I'm going to do means all sides are 1 only. Okay, now what I'm this will be center. Now see, my line is very bad at which. Think this as straight line. Okay, this is the diagonal. In a pentagon, all diagonals are equal. Okay, so next I'll draw here also one more diagonal. Here also I'll draw one more diagonal. All length will be x. Okay, this will also be x. This will also equal x. This will also equal to x. This will also equal to x. Every diagonals are equal to x. I'm keeping. Okay, I'm going to find the value of x. Okay, now in this, see, this is a quadrilateral. So I'm going to use Bartholomew's theorem. So in this, what I'm going to do is Bartholomew's theorem says that this length into this length plus this length into this length is equal to this length into this length. That means 1 into 1 plus 1 into 8. This is not nice. 8. 1 into 1. Okay, it's not 1.1. 1 into 1 plus. Wait, I'm going to place like multiplication. 1 into 1 plus 1 into x is equal to x into x. Okay, now see, 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into x is x. X square, x into x is x square. So I'll put this all in the RHS. Then I'll get x square minus x minus 1 is equal to 0. Okay, now what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the quadratic formula. Where I can use quadratic formula? Okay, I'll use it here. Okay, minus b. Okay, minus plus 1 plus or minus square root of b square minus 1 the whole square minus 4 into sc 1 into minus 1 by 2 into 1 2 no. Now if I simplify this, what I'll get 1 plus or minus square root of 5 by 2. this is equal to x. That means 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 or 1 minus square root of 5 by 2 is equal to x. Okay. Now same. This 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 is positive. 1 minus square root of 5 by 2 is negative. But think, always the side length will be equal to positive value only. So this is wrong. Okay. So answer will become 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 is equal to x. The same thing, okay. This whole length is 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 is x. And this is the golden ratio also, okay. So now same, this is 1 by 2, this is 1 plus square root of 5 by 2, that's enough for us, because see, this is what 72, 90, 18, because 72, 90 no. So what 180 minus 90 minus 72 is 18. That the same, that only will happen, okay. So 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 is this. What is this? 1 by 2. Okay. In this same, like in first no need to find this value because we are finding sine 18. Sine 18 is what? Opposite by hypotenuse. Okay. So sine 18 is equal to opposite 1 by 2 opposite by hypotenuse, okay, by 1 plus square root of 5 by 2 opposite by hypotenuse, okay. So which is equal to one by opposite by hypotenuse. Okay, 1 by wait 1 minute. One by 2 into, wait, there's no space here, which is equal to 2 into y 2 into 1 plus square root of 5. These two should cancel. This is equal to 1 by 1 plus square root of 5. Okay. This is equal to, wait, why? This is equal to 1, like now we have to rationalize this, okay. If we rationalize this, what we will get? Square root of the 1 minus square root of 5 will put. So we will multiply by this by 1 minus square root of 5 by 1 minus square root of 5, which is equal to 1 minus square root of 5 by 1 square minus 1 square minus square root of 5 square, which is equal to 1 minus 5, which is equal to minus 4. Okay. If the 1 minus, okay, so like here it's negative, but we don't like negative. So what I'm going to do is minus square root of 5 minus 1 by minus 4. This and this will become constant plus, which is equal to square root of 5 minus 1 by 4, which is equal to sine 18. That is our answer. Okay. Like for this question, like if you can do this also, because this also is 18. Okay. And this will also be equal to 72 if you calculate the angles properly. Okay. And like that also you can do some geometry condition. Fine. Okay, but then also, but it will be a little bit more difficult, so I did like this. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.